Welcome to MCUtility, your all-in-one multi-channel messaging solution. In a world where instant communication is crucial, can you afford to miss a message? Introducing MCUtility, the smarter, faster, and more affordable way to send and receive SMS, WhatsApp messages, and emails, all in one place. So this is our MCUtility app, a communication platform designed for sending messages, SMS, and emails. For MCUtility messages, we utilize this app to send both SMS and bulk emails. We have integrated Twilio SMS and WhatsApp as service providers. Let me first demonstrate how MCUtility messages work. We have a user named Jessica. When you click on her profile, you'll see 3 tabs. We'll focus on the SMS tab. Incoming messages will appear in the utility interface's shortcut. By clicking on the incoming messages icon, you can view messages from customers like Jessica. Now, let's explore how to send bulk messages to customers. We have 3 options. The first option is List View. You can create a list view and send bulk messages. Additionally, we can send templates. Let me quickly show you how the SMS template works. These are built-in or custom templates that you can create to send messages to bulk customers. The second option for sending bulk messages is using campaigns. You can create different campaigns and send bulk messages to specific customers. The third option we have is through reports. You can create reports and then send bulk messages. Now, let me quickly show you how to create a template. Click on New to create a template. You must provide a name, select the objects, compose your message, and attach the necessary files. We also have a scheduling feature. If you want to schedule a message for the future, you can easily do that. That's an overview of the features of the messaging app. Currently, we also have a chatbot integrated into the app called BrainBoss. With this chatbot, you can create different journeys. Let me quickly show you how to create a new chatbot. By clicking on New, you can provide the name of the chatbot you want. For example, Demo Chatbot. You need to select the folder, choose the object, and provide the choice prompt and the keyword. The keyword is what the user will use to initiate the chatbot. Once that's done, you can save it and create a journey accordingly. Lastly, we have the journal settings. Let me walk you through them. There are different options here. For example, if you don't want the Schedule SMS option or the Enable Emojis feature to be visible in your messaging UI, you can easily disable them by clicking the Edit button. You can also manage subscription keywords. In addition, we offer 3 options: full opt-out, partial opt-out, and sender-specific opt-out. Let me quickly explain how each works. Next, we have the check view settings. You can enable or disable fields like the From number, To number, and username in the SMS check view UI. That wraps up our overview of the MCUtility app. Want to experience the power of seamless communication with our MCUtility app? Whether it's WhatsApp, email, or SMS, our multi-channel messaging Salesforce solution simplifies how you connect with customers across all platforms. Contact us now to see it in action and explore how MCUtility can take your business communication to the next level.